Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video. Very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Different ideas of hairstyle in low maintenance. So beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. And different ideas of fine hairstyle. So attractive collection of spiky hairstyle. And many much more. Ideas of haircut, pixie haircut. Bob haircut, shaggy haircut, patch haircut. And different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And so beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color. In burgundy color, in funky colors. And many much more latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Please share your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video. Take care and bye bye.